Hi, this is Ken Lau. In today's video, I'll share with you the list.lastN. What does it mean, list.lastN? It returns the last items of the list as is shown in the list. So in Power Query, a list is enclosed by a curly bracket, and let's just try this out. Okay. Now, if this optional parameters is a number, then it means that you can get the last up to this is up to one items that will be returned. Not sure what it means. So I have opened a blank Power Query, and I'll just copy this function, the M language here. So list.lastN, I supply the list, and that's 1. So you can see that's 1. Now if I change it to 2, it will give me the last 2 number. Okay, and if I want to get the last 4 item, and it'll give me from here. But notice that the value is getting from the left to the right. Okay, and now let's look at another. The other is that it is a condition. So in this case, it's a condition. So it will return the initially meet the condition, but it check from the end of a list, and it will just check again and again. So let's see what is that. We type the each keyword followed by the underscore parameter and greater than 0. Let's just try that. Change this to each underscore greater than 0. Enter, and we get 782. Why is that so? Because it starts from the end, which is 2, and then it check, is this number greater than 0? Yes. Is this number greater than 0? Yes. Is this number greater than 0? Yes. Is this number greater than 0? No. That is stopped right here, and it returns whatever it is found, 782. Okay, and that is what it means list.lastN with the 2 conditions. So you can read more about it in the Microsoft documents. It has one more features that you want to talk about. If this parameter is now the last item in the list is returned. If this parameter is now. Okay. So I hope this explained to you what is list.lastN, and you can use a list in many ways. And let's see here. Let's just begin with the I think it's just call it. Now this is a list, and do we have something called? Well, maybe I just call it. You just create a list. Can I just create a list like that? Let's just try it. Oh yes, you can. So that's a table. So let's see what happened if I just create a list. So you can see this is a table, and it's just from a list. So in fact, any table you want, right, you can have. If you from a table and you call the table dot column, and then you provide them the column you want to get, it will give you back a list. As you can see, this is a list. Now with the list, you can work with again the list.lastN. There are many items that you can use. Well, they even have a remove lastN. Yeah. So now let's just I want to know the last 3 items. And oops, let's see. Yeah, there you are, 782. Okay, so you can change that from a list to a table, and from a table back to a list, and from there you extract a certain number from the last position, for the last value. Okay, so as you can see, there's a last, and of course there is a first. So you get to find it that there you are, first list and last list. So I hope you learn how to use this list.lastn in a clearer way. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. And I thank Jesus for giving me this ability to share.